Just minutes to marina and boat launch. Fall in love with this charming home complete with appliances and 30 by 40 workshop. Imagine sitting on your front porch enjoying your morning coffee or covered back deck entertaining family and friends. Completely level yard is perfect for kids to play a game of frisbee or tag. For the person who needs extra room to work on projects, the workshop is perfect with electric in place and concrete floors. Just bring your hobbies or store your boat and lake toys. Cozy feel inside with living space, eat-in kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bath plus laundry pantry. Whether you want a weekend getaway or a place to live year-round, this home is a must-see at this great price.